Hello everyone, my name is Havish Madhvapati. Welcome to video number 23 in a series of 100 videos where I teach you how to recreate consulting charts. Today we are going to look at a bullet chart. I already have the solution with me here, and I think this is pretty self-explanatory. You can see that the red tells you the target, or in this case, the previous year value, and the green tells you the current year value. You can use it for target versus actual or for a YY analysis. Let's copy the data. And this is quite an easy example once you know how to make this. We'll first make a regular column chart. So nothing fancy so far. Now if you see, I can double click on the column and reduce the gap width, and it does do that, but then both the columns are together. I can't control them independently. And if I go to series overlap, I can make it 100%, and now it makes more sense because I do have target and actual separately, or in this case 22 and 23. But the problem is that if I reduce or increase the width, again both of them are changing at the same time, and that's not what we want. So we would like to go to change chart type and then put 23 on the secondary axis. Both of them still remain a clustered column chart. Now you notice that the primary and the secondary axis are not at the same upper limit, so we have to make sure that the other one also is 300. And now we can see 23 is the one in orange, which we can change to a green color, and the 22 in the outline I'm going to select a red color, increase the weight of the outline as well, and then most importantly, if you look at the gap width, we can reduce the gap width a little bit, and for 23 we'll increase the gap width. And then on the previous year value, we don't really need a fill color, so we can select no fill. And then what that leaves us with is this, a bullet chart. Looks really nice, it's very compact, and you are able to visually present the gap. So you're able to show if we were able to cross the last year value, as in the case of wireless communication. And in the case of computing and data storage, you can visually see what the gap is. You can of course make this a bar chart as well. Right now it is in the form of a column chart. So let's copy it, right click, change chart type, and both of these become clustered bar and clustered bar. Let's make sure both the axes are at 300 and 300. And there we go. We have made a bullet chart both vertically and horizontally.